Mabuhay. I am at the part of one of the tourist attractions here in Nailo, Valencia, Bohol, and it's called Nailo Cave. But we will not go there because it's far and the path is dangerous, and we are the only one here around in case there are emergencies. But don't be sad because I will show you a picture at the outside of the cave. I'm going to show you our tourist spot at Nailo, Valencia, Bohol. Coming for our next tourist spot here in Nailo, Valencia, Bohol. And we are here at the next tourist spot here in Nailo, Valencia, Bohol. If you want to relax, you can come here. It's so relaxing and it's peaceful. If you want to go out, you can come here and relax. You can clearly see the hills. It's so peaceful here, it's so quiet, unlike the city noise. We are here at one of the tourist attractions here in Nailo, Valencia, Bohol, and you can bring your families and or friends or co-workers here to relax and do a picnic because you can see the views. It's good and it's relaxing. And if you want to see the views in the top, we will go there. Come join me. Let me show you the view from the top of the hill. Those are the tourist attractions here in Nailo, Valencia, Bohol. I hope you enjoy this journey and thank you for watching till the end.